And back to the power outages, I have a flashing light phenomena video to share with you guys. A quick update of brand new ones that have just been sent in. We're at 500 now here in the United States. This is a global phenomena that's sweeping the earth. These blue stars you see on here are videos that I've received personally from the United Kingdom and over in Europe. I've received videos from France and Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Ireland, Scotland, and then of course all across the United States. I wonder if whatever's affecting the power grids is also having an impact on these mysterious flashing lights that people are seeing every day all around the world. The blackout in the United Kingdom, flashing lights during the blackout right here in a store over there in London. Here's video number 2 out of Kansas City, Missouri, sent in by SS. Lights on the left-hand side of the road, street lights at night, all the way down the road, malfunctioning for unknown reasons, as if something's interfering with the flow of electricity, and at times maybe taking down entire grids. Deanna was quite taken back out of Colstrip, Montana. She too noticed street lights flashing for unknown reasons. This happens rogue and randomly all around the world. Deanna was quite taken back by this, stopped her car along the side of the road to take this video footage, and as bright as these lights are pulsing, it almost acts like there's some sort of a power surge going on here, causing the lights to get temporarily extremely bright. I mean, these were overwhelmingly bright. Maybe it was just the type of bulb that was in these street lights. And as you can see, she'd stopped her car along the side of the road to take this video, as this was totally perplexing. They had never seen the lights behaving like this up in Montana. So it makes me wonder, does this have something to do with the grids going down unexpectedly all around the world at different locations? Just stop working for unknown reasons? Kind of like these lights. They start malfunctioning for unknown reasons, and nobody knows why. I mean, yes, there's speculation that, oh, they've got a faulty component. Well, obviously there's something faulty. I think there's an issue with the flow of electricity. Check this out. Electricity obviously flowing very strangely to the headlight of this car. Video footage sent in by Warrior Bride 8089 out of Royal Palm Beach, Florida. Happened to notice her neighbor's car, the left headlight on the driver's side, malfunctioning for unknown reasons, and nobody was in the car. The car just started doing this on its own. Again, nobody was in the car as that was occurring. Unbelievable. And the next video also involves a car malfunctioning, behaving very mysteriously. Ron out of Middleton, Ohio. Check out the dash of his car. Look at the lights flashing for unknown reasons. He'd never seen it do that. So to me, something is going on with the flow of electricity. He also noticed some street lights in Middleton later on that night down the road, blinking for unknown reasons. Here's example number 6 by David out of Kokomo, Indiana. Multiple lights in a parking lot. This looks like a Jeep dealership, and you can see several lights in the parking lot flashing for unknown reasons. Delbert out of Fairmont, West Virginia. Notice this rogue street light flashing, and then also a rogue light over there on a convenience store flashing once again for unknown reasons. Rogue and random. You never know when or where it's going to show up, much like the power outages that are going on all around the world, and in some cases affecting entire grids that are impacting millions of people. Could all of this be related? If you ask me, I think they are. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.